Hi, I'm Brenda. I work at St. Joseph Hospital, where I am the manager of diagnostic imaging. That's my calling in life, to take care of people, and I've been able to do that. I was having some strange physical symptoms. The left side of my body would get numb, and from my head all the way down to my feet. I have a wonderful primary care physician, and I went to see her. She says, maybe you've had a little stroke or something. And I'm like, I haven't had a stroke. I mean, if you have a stroke, you can't move your limbs. She says, well, there's different segments, there's different types. Had the MRI, and when I got off the table, I said, whose MRI is that? And I said, that's not mine, is it? Because I could see this big goober on there. And he said, but it looks like a meningioma, and let's get you to Dr. Aryanpur right away.
Yeah, my name is Dr. John Aryanpur. I am a neurosurgeon, and I've been practicing here in Humboldt County for more than 20 years. Brenda and I go way back. I've known Brenda for many years. She's a wonderful friend and just a great person to have in our community.
He explained to me that it was apparently a meningioma, which is a tumor. And he said the good point about this is it's sitting on the lining above your brain. It's not in your brain. He said, but the bad part about it is it's got to come out, like now.
Fortunately, at our facility here in Eureka, we have the most modern techniques, we have the most modern equipment, we have a very well-equipped OR staff. And so I felt very comfortable telling her that she could stay here locally and get the world-class quality of care that she needed to get that tumor treated.
He expected that 99.9% I would recover. But you know, you think about somebody actually going into your head, fooling around about your brain. Are you going to be all normal and back to normal afterwards? My son came here from Chicago to be with me and to the surgery and that. And I can remember waking up. They did the surgery and everything. I can remember waking up and my son said to me, you're you, you're all you. You got through it fine.
The surgery went very well. We were able to completely remove her tumor, and she did immensely well. I think, as I recall, she woke up from surgery with a smile on her face, which is pretty amazing for someone to come through a brain surgery and wake up with a smile on their face. And she's done great ever since, and post-operative studies have shown that the tumor is totally gone, now more than a year out. So I think, by all definitions, it was an amazing success, and she's an amazingly strong woman.
When I went back for my post-op visits, they were excited to see me. When I walk in the door, and they were like, oh, it's Brenda, and look at you walking around, you're doing everything just normal. And I like to think now that I'm normal. I was able to go back to work and do everything that I normally do. And I got the best treatment anybody could ever have here. I felt like I got world-class care right here in Humboldt. To have 100% recovery, what more can you ask for? It was such a scary thing. But he is the best surgeon you could possibly want. If you have to have something fixed in your head, your back, or whatever neurosurgeons do, you want Dr. Aryanpur.
You know, I think it's an incredible honor to be entrusted with people's health. And it's an honor and a privilege to be able to help people during very vulnerable times in their lives. And so I think offering technical skills and being able to help them in a technical way is important. But I also view my job as sort of to be a partner with them on this journey to get them back to health. And that's what seems to me to be the greatest privilege of all, to be a physician, is to be able to do that.